I'm about to give you a list of reasons why you should have an online business as a side hustle, or even, you know, whatever you want. Hold on. Before I give you a list, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty vlogs, and fitness. You're gonna be so entertained, and literally I've been so consistent. I've been posting every week, so subscribe. What are you waiting for? So my first tip is job security. Now, out here in California, we're at will state, which means that you can get fired at any time. Knowing that is kind of scary just for me to think about it. And I've been fired 3 times for the same job. Yeah, if you guys want story time about that, I can give it story time because it was like a mom and pop store. Anyway, so back to the video. So just knowing that you can get fired anytime, and it should be always in the back of your mind, because it's always back in my mind, especially if you don't have a savings account. And the second reason is, of course, what we're going through right now, this pandemic, and a lot of jobs are not considered to be essential. So you'll be out of work. And last year, the unemployment was going crazy. Like, it took over 3 months just to get unemployment. That's another reason why you should consider finding a job online. When I mean find a job online, I don't mean quit your job. I'm saying keep your job and have a side hustle. I think that's what I should name the video. Reasons why you should get a side hustle, because I would never condone quitting your job, especially if you don't have a decent income anyway from social media or online. So that's what I'm gonna do. Reasons why you should have a side hustle. My third tip is about how social media is going to be within the next 5 or 10 years. You never know what's going to happen, but I feel like everything's going to be moving towards online. Especially this quarantine, guys. This actually forced me to go even harder online. I know my reasonings are really short, but I'm going to give you a list of jobs that you should look into, especially social media. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. So all these jobs are online. You can do them now. And I do suggest that you do this like as a part-time job and keep your main job. So basically it'll be a side little hustle. You never know, it can be more profitable than your regular job. And I'm gonna say start an online business. It takes a while to pick up, but there's a little money here and there, especially if it's gonna be a side hustle. You're not gonna be able to give your all to it, but on weekends and when you get off of work, you can dedicate your time to it. So you guys know I have an online business, Bootstrap Boutique. Actually, me and my mom started it. I'm gonna put my links and everything in the description box. But that's one hustle. Another one is what we're on YouTube and TikTok. Now, of course, it takes a long time to get paid on YouTube, but you have so many videos working for you. So, for example, so before you get paid on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then that's when you're able to be monetized, and you get paid per 1,000 views. So for me, I know my journey is slow on YouTube. I have a few videos about it, but I have a lot of videos that are working for me. I say they're working for me because eventually I'm gonna get paid more money on it. This is just me thinking in the future. So I have all these videos working for me, and one day it will pay off. That's how I look at it. So I highly consider you thinking about creating a YouTube channel. And finally, TikTok. Now, TikTok's requirements is 10,000 followers and 10,000 likes within a month. And it sounds a lot, especially if you don't have a large following, but it's easy to grow on TikTok, guys. Literally, I was optimistic about starting TikTok. I tried it. I grew within a month. And it's so crazy. I'm growing faster on TikTok than I've been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for over 5 years. So I do recommend that everybody creates a TikTok, because it's, you know, a little money. Also, oh wait, I forgot to add, on TikTok, when you go on live, your followers can send you tips. So that's another plus. And the last one's going to be affiliate links. So I actually should do a separate video about this because it's a lot to talk about. So I'm gonna do like a little brief synopsis of it, and then I'm gonna do another video of it later. So Amazon have affiliate links. So create your account if you don't already want to have an Amazon, and you should apply for their affiliate links. For Amazon, you're going to have to give them all your personal information, your tax information, all that good stuff. And then once you get approved, you can just go create your links and put them on everywhere. Literally, I put them on my TikTok account. I put them on this bio, guys. It's gonna be there. You get paid once you promote that link and somebody clicks on it and purchase from it. That's how you get paid. And on Amazon affiliate links, you only get paid after you hit $10. But I changed mine to 100, so I don't have to worry about it. I think I should do a separate video on just that because there's a little more logistics into it. And the final one I'm going to talk about is Ebates. This is another quick little side hustle. So if you don't know what Ebates is, I don't know where you've been, guys. I do not know where you've been. Ebates has a list of stores that you can shop from. So once you shop, you have to shop through them. So for instance, if I want to shop from AliExpress, so I'll go on Ebates, click shop now, and the percentage, that's how much I get back from shopping through the site. And if you shop a lot online, it comes in handy. So before I do a lot, if you guys know me, I do a lot of shopping online. So before I do shop at a store, like if I should go to Walmart or any place like that, I'll go there first and see if they have any percentage back. And if they do, of course I'm going to have to go all out. It's like a little incentive. So I'm going to have a link where you guys can sign up if you guys are interested in that. So that is it on the reasons why you should have a side hustle. This video is kind of weird, I know. I probably should do an update to it because I have so many other options you guys can do if you're interested in create a new side hustle. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.